Angibingelele ngokukhulu ukuzithoba. Uthemba lo khulumayo. Ngegama nguThemba waKambatha. Ngimember yomkhonto. A very devoted and committed volunteer yomkhonto wesizwe. Umkhonto wesizwe ngijoyine the beginning of its inception. I joined inhlangano yomkhonto wesizwe, reason being the status quo secountry asikho sihle, isimo somnotho asikho sihle, abantu abasebenzi, intsha yethu icwile kwidakamizwa because I think a coping mechanism of some sort, because people are depressed, people are frustrated. Isimo sethu as a country asikho sihle. Okay, fine. Ngjoyine inhlangano ye-MK. The reason why I'm doing this video is because ngifuna ukunikeza i-picture yobuhlungu obenzakala ngaphakathi kwe-MK, nokungcola rather okwenziwa amalungu e-MK. Fine. Ijoyiniwe i-MK, yajoyina ngomningi, nami I was one of those ngayijoyina, ngiyayithanda till today, ngisayisebenzela na today. And bes understand ukuthi MK ayinayo imali, organization esasungulwayo. Okay, fine. Having said that, we understood also ukuthi nathi we have to take part. We understood ukuthi nathi as members or rather volunteers of the organization, or rather as a proudly South African for that matter, we are supposed to take part in making sure ukuthi we make this vision former president of this country, the current president of inhlangano yomkhonto wesizwe anayo, ukuthi sifuna ukushintsha i-status quo. Asikho happy nge-ANC, sifuna i-ANC iphume emandleni because they are taking us for a ride. They are undermining us, and also, which is even more painful, they think we are fools. Okay, fine. Supporting a vision, what we did as members, or rather as volunteers, we got so committed to the organization to a point ukuthi sagcine sisebenzisa nama-resources wethu, be it imali, be it whatever umuntu anayo, whether unemoto asebenzisa imoto yakhe, afake upetrol, sihamba ama-meetings and all those things. I'm one of those people. Abasebenzisa ama-resources. I'm still spending my own coffers for ama-resources. The little that I have. Okay, fine. I-MK ikhulile endlondlobela, abantu bayithanda. Ngo-2024 ivotelwe i-MK kakhulu, hayi kancane. Okay. Kwayiwa eThekwini senza i-anniversary, that was cool. Saya before eThekwini anniversary, we started saya Orlando Stadium, sawenza manifesto, that was cool. Okay, fine. Sibuye kusetshenzwe sirecruit abantu, sirecruit. And then mina i-region enguyo okanye i-region engizalwa kuyona, because as a business person I do go to other provinces as well. For example, I've got a business in Limpopo province, so I'm also very active in Limpopo province whenever I'm that side. But my region, it's Zululand, KwaZulu-Natal, ngaphansi kwe-sub-region yaBaqulusi, or rather the former Vryheid. Now, i-challenges esiyifacile la kakhulu ile yokuthi igenge ebuya kwa-ANC ifuna ukuthi kube yiyo eyengamela everything ngaphakathi kwi-MK, whereas upresident wathi mayiqala inhlangano wathi no, inhlangano yawonke umuntu, ingakho yajoyinwa abantu from your IFP, your NFP, your EFF and the likes. So kwathiwa it's for everyone. We are all new in the organization. Akekho umuntu omdala mhlawumbe uzothiwa no, let's prioritize this one for ukuba umayor because cadre deployment has been serving the organization for 20 years or ubuya wherever. on behalf of each organization. So we are all new basically, irrespective. Abanye bajoyine ngo-2023, abanye bajoyina ngo-2024, but we are all new. We are basically all new in the organization. Fair enough. Now the challenge we are having again, ANC isebenzise i-strategy because abafuna ukuluza kahle kahle. Mina iward enguyo uward 10 elokishini khona lapha eFriday, iward 10 iselokishini edala, but uhlanganisa nedolobha kancane namanye ama-sections ke, but nje mostly kudominator i-old location under ward 10. Okay, fine. Uward 10 ke eFriday okanye eBhekuzulu ubulidwa i-ANC since 1994 till today, ANC. And uthe noma i-ANC iba weak, kungena i-IFP ithatha omasipala, kungena o-NFP bepenetrator, kungena o-Action SA, kungena o-EFF, i-ANC ewadini engulu wa 10 has always been in governance, or i-councillor has always been i-councillor le-ANC. Now kuthe mangena i-MK ngokuphenika kwe-ANC ba-strategizer, mina ngokubona kwami ukuthi no, abantu be-ANC abangene kwi-MK, not ngoba bengena because bathanda i-MK okanye ngoba be-divorce i-ANC, but bangene because kune-strategy senziwa i-ANC. I-strategy sithini na, in my observation, bangenile bangena, and surprisingly enough mabengena bafuna uba in the forefront, all of them. They want to lead, they want to be this and that, they want to be this and that. Okay, fine. Now the challenge esinayo ke njengamanje, okay, bangenile ke baba in the forefront and everything, but bekunalokhu kuney'nkulumo ewadini engulu ukuthi leli ward leli has always been iward le-ANC. Even no premier, no minister, no president, they know ukuthi ward 10 waseBaqulusini under Zululand region has always been iward le-ANC. Even though NCC weak, but bona they've always maintained iward as an ANC ward. So now kuney'nkulumo ke ezithi iward leli laka-10 ngeke lize liye kwenye inhlangano, but come what may, whether there's an MK or what, but leli ward ngeke libe ngephansi kwe-MK. Okay, fine. Mangi-analyzer, it meant le strategy sabo sokuthi akuze abantu be-ANC kwa-MK yiyo leyo ukuthi fine uzofaka ikepisi le-MK angene, but yena ukuyimission yokuthi uthunywe i-ANC ukuthi angene ngaphakathi abe-MK alide enzeni. Mase fika isikhathi lesi sesifikile manje ukuthi fanele khethwe amakhansela, bafuna futhi kube yibo in the forefront, kukhethwe bona. But then again what they do, they choose the weakest ukuthi represent i-MK so that bazokhetha a strongest one kwi-ANC, so that even though abantu they are tired of ANC, but mabe compare the two bazobona we-ANC engcono, so that kuzokhethwa i-councillor le-ANC baqhubeke balide iwadi as they've always been saying. Okay, fine. What is happening here to support what I'm saying? Eward 10 sino sisi uphakanyisiwe. First of all, akubizwa umhlangano in a normal way ukuthi kuzomenyezelwa, kuzofakwa emagroupini onke, kuzobizwa umhlangano we-organization i-MK, batshelwe prior to the entire community ukuthi kuzoba ne-process kanje, maybe say 2 weeks before or latest a week before, something like that. Akwenzakanga konke lokho. Instead kubizwa iqeqebana labantu, libizele lapha wherever la libizwa khona, kukhethwa about 30-40 people. We can't have 40 people, 30 people bezokhetha i-candidate, whereas ngo-2024 sivotelwe abantu close to 2,000 if not more. Laba basinikeza u-60% bevotela i-MK kuleli wadi engulu wa 10 eBaqulusini under Zululand region. Now ngeke ke ukuthi mase kukhethwa ke i-ward councillor bese kuba nabantu abawu-30 sibe comfortable as organization. Kuphinde kukhethwe futhi ke the umuntu vele ongeke akhethwe umphakathi. Why ngisho njalo? Lo muntu abafuna ukuthi agibele epalini on behalf of i-MK, that this person udayisa ama-drugs, and the community knows ukuthi udayisa ama-drugs, but because i-ANC they bafuna ilose i-MK, baphusha yena bangaphansi kwe-MK, bangama-members e-MK ngokusho kwabo. Yes, sigijima nabo kwi-MK, but bona baphusha i-mandate ye-ANC, bafaka the weakest so that this weakest uzoluza, because izothi i-community mayi-compare this weakest bemcompare nalo muntu we-ANC, though bayicasukele i-ANC kodwa bavotele the ANC. Fine. This person udayisa ama-drugs. This person okhethiwe udayisa ama-drugs. I-community yazi. So clearly ngeke izimvotele. Meaning they are setting up MK for failure intentionally so. And i-region nayo is part of that. Kunamalungu MK leadership region. Now they are part of this whole setup. They're gonna collapse MK ngokwenza 1, 2, 3. They're gonna make sure the ANC does not lose amawati ngokwenza 1, 2, 3. Like what is happening now. Okay, fine. This person mamkhethile but uzoba i-candidate. Mabeqeda for EPR bakhetha omunye futhi umuntu wabo lo bebegijima naye ama-EPWP kuyasetshenzwa kwamasipala and everything. Buyi-ANC njalo lo muntu nayo EPR but usebenza ngamasipala uyahola kwamasipala akuphethe ANC but lo muntu uyasebenza because ungene member ye-ANC but uyasebenza ungene kanjani. You can ask yourself that question again because normally i-organization leader ayivamisile ukufaka abantu benye-inhlangano siyakwazi konke lokho though bekhipha ama-post and everything but at the end of the day baqhasha abantu babo. This person we-PR candidate usebenza kwamasipala fine. The same person akahlale ewadini uhlala somewhere else nomndeni wakhe. Yes unama-ties kuleli wadi but akahlali kulo uhlala kwelinye wadi. So bamthathile bamenza i-PR ngapha because ewadini lakhe i-competition was too strong. So bamletha ngapha ewadini lecathalala uwa 10 awunabantu balele babhayiza bamletha kuleli wadi. Okay fine. But now the challenge ekhona ile yokuthi as much as asina elective conference and president uyayichaza why and to some extent we understand but at the same time iyasilimaza lento because the same people laba baqhamuka kwa-ANC bayisebenzisa to benefit i-ANC. Kumanje bafuna MK iluze kungene i-ANC though abantu bathanda i-ANC but obvious mabe compare umuntu odayisa ama-drugs nomuntu ongadayisa ama-drugs bazokhetha umuntu ongadayisa ama-drugs. EPR well bakhethe balanda umuntu from kwelinye wadi though unama-ties kuleli wadi la ka-10 but akahlali khona and ukuyi-leadership yaleli wadi ahlala kulo nomndeni wakhe ney'ngane zakhe nonkosikazi ungena ney'ngane zakhe zifunda kulelo wadi uhlala nonkosikazi wakhe kulelo wadi everything uyenza kulelo wadi ukuyi-leadership futhi kulelo wadi elinye nothi lela sewu-PR kulo today. So engizama ukusho ngibonile ama-video amaningi kwi-social media be it uFacebook or rather uTikTok abantu bekhala ngayo lento ukuthi no how can kube nabantu abancane kwi-venue and the next thing futhi ku-impose abantu abathile noma abantu-ke bezama-ke ukuthi no thina sithanda nangumuntu okade gijima nangumuntu okhuthele but instead i-leadership esuke ideployiwe whether from the sub-region or from the region but deploya ba-impose umuntu wabo ofunwa yibo. Hence there's an outcry, hence abantu bayakhala, hence abantu baphela amandla, abantu bayadikibala, abanye sebedikilile, abanye bathi no come the 4th we're not going to vote MK if the status quo ashintshe ngokwama-candidate. Because for example lento yama-PR makuthiwa no abantu aba-apply online kuzoba ne-sifting and all that kuzosifta there's very same people nabo abadeployiwe kwi-province be-ANC abasebenzela i-ANC together nabantu be-region kuzobe kusifta bona again bakhethele ama-comrade abe-ANC ngeke bakhethe abantu who are really deserving to be in those positions azokhetha abantu babo abafunwa yibo. So that is a challenge because we're not going to buy stories ukuthi no it's going to be an independent body. I-overseewa ubani lo independent body? I-overseewa ubani? Why kungafakwa some of us thina on the ground esebenzela organization as understand lento yama-processes because there is a lot of us who understand these things ama-processes. A lot of us. I'm one of those people. Maybe if I can just give a brief profile of myself. Mina, I'm qualified from more than one university. I'm qualified from the university at a university level, not from one university. Like I said, I'm not gonna mention matric because it's an obvious case. I've got qualifications from different colleges. I'm in the leadership of MK. Another thing, I've got corporate experience as well. I've worked for one of the universities of this country as a manager. So these things is our processes and ethics and leadership and everything. Yeah, you cannot tell me about those things. Definitely, you cannot tell me about those things. Now, these people, what they are doing now, they sideline people like us because abasazeli kwa-NC. Yabo, ukuthi you were in NC, the fact that you are not in the forefront with them, you are not in the EPWP projects with them, then it means you are not an NC enough. So they will sideline you. I've once made a proposal, we region here to Zululand, which guys, we are coming from different organizations. Let's profile each other so that we know which marketing which is slaughter abantu into portfolios or positions. We know which we slaughter people who are capable, who have credentials, people who would understand, who can perform in those portfolios. I even made an example to them to say, guys, now I'm willing to serve the organization under communications department. I've worked for one of the biggest radio stations in this country. I've worked for a national newspaper in this country. I've worked for a university at a leadership level as a manager. I'm in the leadership of the MK, so you cannot question anything about me. I'm an active volunteer. I've made MK fashionable in my ward. But today, people who are being elected is people who are selling drugs. People who are being PR candidates, it's people who are staying in other wards. So lezi zinto abakhala ngazo abantu kwamanye amawadi ukuthi no ama-deployee benzani, you know, it's what you are telling us on social media into eyenza ukuthi nami ngenze this video is because I felt ukuthi that's just a tip of an iceberg. Things that are happening on the ground, they are far worse than things that I've heard on social media. So really, MK people, ANC is killing MK from within because bathumela abantu babadeploy ukuthi abajoin MK kuze kuzodisturb i-MK. And they are doing exactly that. They are doing you can't have a candidate that some drugs uyiphakamise and there is no way. There is no way wathatha umuntu kwelinye ward uzomenza i-PR kwelinye ward. They are capable people in each and every ward. In each and every ward, they are capable people. And again, like with MK, there was this thing, abantu bedonate ngenkomo and everything. There was an incident in one of the venues attended as e-region. Inkomo eyayidonathiwe kuleyo mcimbi. Kwakuyinkomo edonethwe uchairperson we-ward mina engihlala kulo Ward 10. The same chairperson we-ward secretary we-sub-region. So yabona ukuthi vele there is people abangaphakathi abasebenzela i-ANC. I-ANC donate inkomo kwi-MK. Why would i-ANC donate inkomo kwi-MK? Emcimbini we-MK i-ANC donate inkomo. Why would they do that? For what reason? It does not make sense. We have ama-deployees la eZululand because savotelwa kakhulu. We qualified to have ama-deployees awu-2 ukuthi aye legislature. Ama-candidate athunyelwa e-legislature ukuthi asirepresenta as iZululand, those people are not suitable. They don't have credentials. They're not suitable, honestly speaking. Lo mheka lo lapho e-legislature enayo lapho e-legislature eMaritzburg no Sisuzama lo enayo lapho e-legislature. Those people, they are people who are far better off than those two individuals. That is why they don't even contribute in those commissions a legislature, because they left people who are capable as Zululand. There are so many people who are capable as Zululand who could have done a better job, who could have been deployed by a legislature on behalf of Zululand. But can't you swabona because nabo ngeke wazi ukuthi bahamba ngaliphi or nabo mhlawumbe badeployiwe ukuthi abaye lapha legislature bafike bathule banga participate so that MK izoba redundant. Like now, there's a perception that MK is Sizarani because they are in parliament, they are in the legislatures, we don't see anything. Though they are trying a parliament, I must say, a national parliament, they are trying. We see them every time. We see about Dr. Umamu Shabalala, they are doing their best. But we province, ayikho into ephathekayo esibona kwi province from ama comrade ase Zululand. Ngiyakhuluma ngamanye ama regions ngeZululand. Ayikho into esiyibonayo. And masibuza ukuthi okay, as much as kuya-appointwa electwa, but-ke sichazeleni ukuthi bafike kanjani, yini nichoose bona over us. Asitshelwa lutho, awekho ama-answer, awaqhamuka ama-answer. So sinenkinga kwi-MK, yilento ledikibalisa abantu kwi-MK because izinto azenziwe kahle, and upresident as much as ethi singavoti uzo-appointa, but the challenging part ngaleyo ukuthi yena self as much as ethi uzo-appoint, akazange appointe kuyi-sub-region yaseBaqulusini, akaze appointe kuyi-region yaseZululand. Uthumele ama-deployees from i-province ukuthi beze phansi bezo-oversee that process and choose the suitable people. But those people, what they did, they put their puppets. It's not people ababengomsholozi, it's just puppets who were put there by ama-deployees who were coming from our province. So that is a challenge we have, but we are not going to stand that as communities ukuthi sifidwe abantu aba-wrong because i-ANC ifuna uku-retaina ama-ward, basinikeza abantu aba-weak, abantu abadayisa ama-drugs because they want to retain ama-wards. We are not going to accept that. At no point we are going to accept that. Ward 10 eZululand eBaqulusini, Ward 10 eBaqulusini under Zululand region, there is no way we are going to be represented by those two individuals because one, lowe councillor uzosiluzisa iward. Enye into futhi engicishe ngayikhohle, there was a time coordinator owayephethe iward ethe no yena angeke sakhona uba coordinator anymore, and then i-sub-region yeza because they were supposed to replace that portfolio. Mabefika i-sub-region, instead ukuthi ebona ba-identify umuntu committed kwi-organization because they know us, they know we are volunteers, we are active, they know us, and they also know our capabilities, but for some reason they tend to sweep that under the carpet. What they did, they came, it was supposed to be just a mass meeting of the community because the invitation was saying it's a mass meeting, but to our surprise mabefika bona, okay, it was supposed to be a mass meeting, and then by identify umuntu based on umsebenzi wakhe bam introduce kwi community, if iyamvuma bam endorse, if ayimvumi maybe ke kuzwe nenye alternative. But instead what they did bona, they came instead ukuthi ba appoint umuntu suitable but akuvotwe, and at that time organization was very firm ukuthi no appointments, we are appointing but abantu abasuitable, but bona because they were seeing ukuthi mina i-community favor. And I'm on the ground every day, I'm recruiting, even in my meetings, the organization, the other guys, they were not making the organization popular. Okay, fine. But besuka kanti bona baplanile ukuthi no bazothi akuvotwe, batshela the few people ababatshela, maybe babetshela ukuthi people won't come in numbers. People came in numbers, but mabethi akuvotela ucoordinator, abantu bavotela mina. Why now? Because they know ukuthi abantu from the word go belokhu befuna mina because they even voted for me way back some a year, 2 years ago. Bavotela mina abantu bathi angibo coordinator wabo, kungavumelekile ukuvota, but because babengafuni ingene beyitshela ukuthi bazongishaya ngevote, still ngathola ivote ngaba ucoordinator. Why ke bengangifaki ukuthi ngibe uPR or candidate eCouncil? Because umphakathi vele uthanda mina phela. Why bengangifaki? Abakwenzi lokho because bafuna ukwenza lokungcola kwabo, so nje we have a problem from kwi-region njengoba ngisho ukuthi abantu base legislature bafakwa igenge ye-province, befaka abantu who are not capable, who can't even talk like I'm talking. They are there with legislature, bazosimela kanjani labo bantu? So this thing must be sorted out. NaseThekwini I understand emlazi kune-hostel abantu bakhetha ubaba umthetho in numbers, but ama-deployees impose abantu babo. There is another incident again, ama-deployees afika nezibhamu kuma-venues, bafika nezibhamu. There's a guy kuthiwa eThekwini ufike nesibhamu, mayibuza ukuthi wawukhiphela abantu isibhamu emhlanganweni, uthi wayihambisa isibhamu emotweni. Isibhamu sihlala kumuntu okhalweni okanye sihlala kwi-safe endlini, asihlale emotweni. So clearly lo muntu wayikhiphela abantu isibhamu, wayithreatenisha abantu. That's what we are facing on the ground. Abantu basikhiphela ibhamu. That's what we are facing. Even la eZululand, like I'm saying, there's a new spokesperson where region eZululand. That person, he has never participated anywhere in MK. Because like I'm saying, I've been on the ground from day one. He has never participated anywhere. But because the person is closer to Deputy President, to Zana Zulu, this person, who spokesperson, Mangizo, two spokesperson, they are saying who spokesperson in the region. We don't know on what grounds. So that's what we are facing in this organization. And that has to come to a stop. I thank you.
Akasidayisa umsholozi siyamcela. Akasidayisa umsholozi siyamcela. Uma kukuthi leyo le fishipisha eyenzeka la kulenhlangano akazwani nayo akasukuma khuluma. Finish. Akazolalela mama sisi. Abantu batshela thina imihla namalanga ukuthi iziphi inhlangano manje abayivotela. Akumnandi ke kuthina. Esayakha lenhlangano. Sayibeke ezandleni kaMsholozi. Umuntu engasanda mina kanjani sayakha lenhlangano. Ungasibuka usithathe kancane usikale ngamehlo njengamanzi ophuza. Kodwa imqonde la ngeke uyikhona. Sithi namhlanje enough is enough. Sicela umsholozi la ngolesithathu bazohlelwa kona ukuthi kuzobonakala kanjani. Kodwa siyamcela ngolesithathu abe la eKZN azo address ama comrade. Lento ezeka wonke ama profit kodwa eKZN kuwes. Kunobaba la olidayo la kwiprovince. Usanda kuphahluka kuthina kuleza inyangane nje idlule engakakhethwa umakhansela. Uthi phela iNC mangabe phela iluzo umasipala. Ingabe phela isiluzo na yiTheku nemabhida. Hey sathi awubantu baba wena. Ukanjani? Kanti ukumi kanjani nilini? Kodwa ke kulungile yonke le nto iyozwakala umsholozi mesela. Ngoba labantu uyabazi umsholozi babuyisile wabeletha la ngoba bethi sifuna i2/3 majority. Namhlanje sesithi ke sesiqikekile sibafuni akabotha ubenza njani. Sila ofisini neprovince KwaZulu Natal ukuzolalela ikhalo zamalungu omkhonto wesizwe party ekhala ngokuxoshwa noma ngokwenzelela kwabaholi beprovince nabe region ikakhulukazi beprovince kule nto yokhetho noma la bekutomula khona amakhansela azomela umkhonto wesizwe party bese kuba ukuthi abantu emva kwalokho baba nama dispute esikhundleni sokuthi anakwe lawo ma dispute babanikeza email address engakazi iphendule umuntu bathi besuka ngokuthi baxinwa kuziwe ama-office bavala ama-office lavale le-region lavale le-province bahamba bobambela imihlangano ehhotela so-ke bashintsha amahhotela aseThekwini babamba imihlangano i-office bengalikhokhela umphakathi-ke uthi usukhatheleke manje noma amalungu omkhonto wesizwe party usukhathele labaholi aba-useless lento yokugcina la emkhontweni ongabazi ukuba bezokwenzani and ayikho into abakwazi ukuyenza bahlulwa ngisho nama-dispute akho ngisho yodwa i-dispute abake bayi-attendeka and kukunye ibona babonakala beyabantu abaxovayo bexova ama-comrade egcine sesongelana edubulana and amagama abe bephatheka ngesikhathi ama-comrade exovana noma exoveka noma ejahana noma esongelana so-ke siyacela ngisho sekukhona nokuthi phela amaphoyisa lawa ePKTT ukuthi sengathi phela sengangenelela nakulento abaphenye nabaholi bethu abathathe nje aba-interrogator ngoba lokubulalana babona ngoba ukuthi ngempela mebesonga abalokhuzana amalungu omkhonto efaka amagama abo mase kwenzekile kwashona umuntu abayi khona abenze kwenzeke nje abaye kobona abaye emgcwabeni bayahlehla la kufanele kukhethwe khona abantu bejahana ngokuthi bona sebefaka abantu babalanda kwa-ANC la abantu bejahana khona ilokhuzana uhlelo lungahlali isikhathi eside ubabona ngokuthi bangezi bangabi ingxenye nje yayo yonke into njengamanje into lokhuza ama-members e-MK Party sesicela uMnqamalatha angenelele siyamcela ngolesithathu ukuthi abe se-KZN
athola indawo ekakhulukazi eThekwini la kuzohlangana khona amalungu e-MK Party akhiphe izikhalo zawo ngoba bayaqala bayafida ngolesibili kubafida ka-IEC abantu akwabantu babo nama-PR councillor bathe awa-apply khona bezokwazi ukufaka abantu babo bekuna-apply nahluleka. So-ke noMpungose bavele lobuholi baselokhu bangabaleki bushiya elokhuzana ngoba butshengisa ukuthi buhlula umsebenzi hlushiya ama-ofisi kanje bohlala emahhotela. Abasadingeki nje emkhontweni bobabili abasadingeki akekho obafisayo and zonke izikhalo ziya kweDuotayi bathemba yona ubabuyele semchuno akadingeki ube ese-useless vele naka-ANC akahlale nje ekhaya ephumule ngoba akasazi lutho and usopolitiki ngempela sasivele singamdingi emkhontweni sasidinga ama-revolutionary abalwi benkululeko. Ngiyabonga.